Introducing the pickleball revolution, the sport taking over the world. Why is everyone suddenly obsessed with pickleball? This engaging sport seems to have taken the world by storm, merging the best of tennis, badminton, and ping-pong. Its unique blend of fast-paced action and strategic play has captivated players of all ages, making it a new favorite pastime. Originating in 1965 as a backyard family game in Washington, pickleball's humble beginnings have paved the way for its global appeal. What started as a simple diversion has evolved into a vibrant sport, transcending its origins to become a staple in both casual and competitive sporting arenas worldwide. With its straightforward rules and gentle learning curve, pickleball is accessible to beginners while still offering depth for seasoned players. This ease of entry encourages newcomers to pick up a paddle and join in, contributing to its rapid rise in popularity across diverse communities. The game requires minimal equipment: paddles, a perforated plastic ball, and a net. These simple tools are all you need to enjoy hours of fun, whether on a dedicated court or a makeshift space. The lack of complexity in gear contributes to pickleball's widespread, easy accessibility. A standard pickleball court is about one-third the size of a tennis court, featuring a similar layout with marked boundaries and a center net. Its compact design allows for quick, dynamic gameplay, making it a perfect fit for both indoor and outdoor settings in various environments. Pickleball is played on a court measuring 20 by 44 feet, the same size as a doubles badminton court. The setup includes a net hung at 36 inches at the ends and 34 inches at the center, creating an accessible playing area that encourages fun and competitive play for everyone. The sport's appeal lies in its inclusivity, welcoming participants of all ages and fitness levels. With straightforward rules and minimal physical demands, pickleball attracts a diverse group of enthusiasts, from young children to active seniors, ensuring that anyone can join in the excitement and camaraderie it offers. Pickleball fosters a vibrant social atmosphere, bringing players together in a community-focused environment. The game's casual nature encourages interaction and friendship, making it a popular choice for social gatherings and recreational clubs. This sense of community enhances the enjoyment and overall experience for participants. One of pickleball's significant advantages is its low entry cost. Unlike other sports that require expensive equipment and facilities, pickleball players need only a paddle, a few plastic balls, and access to a court, making it an affordable option for people seeking an engaging, budget-friendly activity. The sport's popularity has surged in recent years, reflecting its rapid growth and widespread appeal. Statistics reveal a significant increase in participants, with millions now playing regularly. This exponential growth highlights pickleball's status as one of the fastest-growing sports, capturing the interest and excitement of diverse communities worldwide. Celebrities have embraced pickleball, adding to its allure. Stars like Leonardo DiCaprio and Ellen DeGeneres have been spotted playing, sparking interest among fans. Their endorsements have brought the sport into the limelight, encouraging more people to pick up a paddle and join in the fun. Schools and recreation centers have recognized pickleball's appeal, incorporating it into their programs. This inclusion has introduced the sport to younger generations and community members, making it accessible to all. The game's simplicity and adaptability make it a perfect fit for educational and recreational settings. Professional pickleball leagues have emerged, elevating the sport's status. These leagues offer competitive play for enthusiasts, providing a platform for skilled players to showcase their talents. The formation of professional leagues has helped legitimize pickleball as a serious sport, attracting more participants and spectators. Televised pickleball events are on the rise, bringing the sport into living rooms worldwide. This increased visibility has captivated audiences, showcasing the excitement and energy of pickleball matches. The accessibility of these broadcasts has contributed to the sport's growing fan base and popularity. The recent pandemic boosted pickleball's popularity as a safe outdoor activity. With social distancing measures in place, people sought new ways to stay active. Pickleball's minimal equipment and outdoor settings provided the perfect solution, allowing players to enjoy physical activity while maintaining safety protocols. Pickleball's growth has outpaced many other emerging sports, capturing the hearts of millions with its accessibility and fun factor. Its rapid rise contrasts with slower-growing sports, showcasing its unique appeal. The game's simplicity and adaptability have made it a favorite among those seeking an engaging and inclusive activity. Social media platforms have played a crucial role in spreading pickleball awareness, with vibrant communities sharing tips, highlights, and stories. Hashtags and viral videos have introduced this sport to younger audiences, fueling its growth and creating a dynamic online space where enthusiasts connect and share their passion. Notable pickleball tournaments and championships have elevated the sport's profile, drawing participants and spectators from around the world. These events celebrate the competitive spirit and showcase top talent, inspiring newcomers and seasoned players alike to hone their skills and participate in the thrilling world of pickleball. Pickleball is fostering inclusivity in sports by welcoming players of all ages, abilities, and backgrounds. Its adaptable nature ensures everyone can participate, breaking down barriers often found in other sports. This inclusivity promotes a sense of belonging and encourages diverse communities to come together on the court. The global expansion of pickleball is evident as international interest surges. Countries beyond the United States are embracing the sport, establishing clubs and hosting events. This international enthusiasm highlights pickleball's universal appeal, setting the stage for a thriving and interconnected global community of players and fans. Pickleball-specific facilities are sprouting up worldwide, reflecting the sport's burgeoning popularity. These venues offer specialized courts with optimal surfaces and layouts tailored for pickleball enthusiasts. By providing dedicated spaces, these facilities enhance player experience and foster community, drawing in both seasoned players and curious newcomers eager to try the sport. The economic impact of pickleball on local communities is significant. Tournaments and events attract visitors, boosting business for hotels, restaurants, and shops. Additionally, the construction and maintenance of pickleball facilities create jobs, contributing to economic growth. This ripple effect underscores the sport's importance beyond recreation as a driver of local prosperity. Modern pickleball equipment benefits from technological advancements, enhancing gameplay. Lightweight, durable paddles and optimized balls improve player performance and enjoyment. Innovations like shock-absorbing materials and aerodynamic designs cater to players seeking an edge, while ensuring equipment meets evolving standards of quality and sustainability, reflecting the sport's dynamic nature. Playing pickleball offers numerous health benefits, making it a popular choice for fitness enthusiasts. The sport provides a full-body workout, improving cardiovascular health, agility, and coordination. Its low-impact nature reduces the risk of injury, appealing to players of all ages seeking a fun, effective way to stay active and healthy. Pickleball-themed travel and tourism are on the rise, with enthusiasts seeking destinations that offer premier playing experiences. Resorts and tour operators are capitalizing on this trend by providing tailored packages, including access to top-notch facilities and organized matches. This fusion of sport and leisure creates memorable vacations for players and their families. Pickleball's rising popularity has sparked partnerships between major retailers and pickleball brands, making equipment more accessible. These collaborations have led to pickleball gear being prominently featured in stores nationwide, encouraging more people to try the sport. As a result, consumers enjoy a wider selection and competitive pricing on paddles, balls, and apparel. Incorporating pickleball into corporate wellness programs is becoming a trend as companies recognize its benefits. The sport promotes physical activity and teamwork, making it an ideal addition to workplace health initiatives. Businesses find that offering pickleball enhances employee morale and productivity, creating a healthier and more engaged workforce. A surge of pickleball influencers and content creators is emerging, sharing tips, tutorials, and experiences with followers online. These digital personalities are using platforms like Instagram and YouTube to spread enthusiasm for the sport, drawing in new players and creating a vibrant community eager to engage and learn. Pickleball enthusiasts are hopeful about the sport's potential inclusion in the Olympics. As its popularity grows, advocates are pushing for recognition on the world stage. This possibility has sparked excitement within the community, as Olympic status could elevate pickleball's profile and inspire more international participation and competition. The rise of pickleball-focused podcasts and blogs offers enthusiasts a wealth of information and entertainment. These platforms provide insights into strategies, equipment reviews, and player interviews. As the sport grows, these digital resources help foster a deeper connection among players, enhancing the community's sense of camaraderie and shared passion. Pickleball's future is bright, with innovations in paddle technology and court surfaces enhancing gameplay. New training tools and apps are emerging, allowing players to refine their skills. The sport is also exploring virtual reality experiences, offering a unique way to engage with pickleball and attract a tech-savvy audience. The sense of community in pickleball clubs is palpable. Players form lasting friendships, creating a supportive network that extends beyond the court. These clubs often host events, tournaments, and social gatherings, fostering a welcoming environment that encourages participation and helps newcomers feel at home in the pickleball world. Pickleball brings together players of all ages, bridging generational gaps. Grandparents, parents, and children can enjoy the sport together, sharing experiences and creating memories. Its easy learning curve and inclusive nature make it a perfect activity for families, promoting intergenerational bonding and understanding through friendly competition and teamwork. The competitive pickleball scene is thriving, with new stars emerging regularly. Tournaments are drawing larger audiences, showcasing the skill and athleticism of top players. These rising stars are elevating the sport's profile, inspiring the next generation of players to pick up a paddle and aim for greatness. Pickleball's integration into fitness apps and programs is revolutionizing how players track their progress. With features that monitor performance, suggest drills, and connect with other players, these digital tools make training more accessible and enjoyable, helping individuals achieve their health and fitness goals through the dynamic sport of pickleball. Pickleball equipment has evolved with sustainability in mind, using eco-friendly materials and paddles and balls. Manufacturers are increasingly adopting green practices, reducing waste and emissions. This commitment to the environment not only appeals to eco-conscious players, but also sets a precedent for other sports to follow in sustainable development. Playing pickleball has mental health benefits, offering stress relief and improving mood. The game's fast-paced nature encourages focus, while its social aspects provide a sense of community. Regular play can enhance cognitive function, reduce anxiety, and promote overall well-being, making it a valuable addition to mental wellness routines. Pickleball adapts well for players with disabilities, fostering inclusivity. Modifications in rules and equipment ensure everyone can participate, regardless of physical limitations. This adaptability broadens the sport's reach, highlighting its potential as a tool for empowerment and breaking barriers in adaptive sports communities worldwide. The rise of pickleball has influenced traditional racket sports, sparking innovation and attracting a new audience. As players transition between sports, they bring fresh perspectives and skills, enriching the overall sporting landscape. This crossover creates opportunities for collaboration and growth, uniting enthusiasts from diverse athletic backgrounds. Join the pickleball revolution and experience the thrill of this dynamic sport. With its inclusive nature, environmental consciousness, and mental health benefits, pickleball offers something for everyone. Grab a paddle, hit the court, and be part of a community that celebrates fun, fitness, and friendship.